Memorandum. A memorandum, abbreviated, memo, from Latin memorandum est, it must be remembered, is a written message that may be used in a business office. The plural form of the Latin noun memorandum so derived is properly memoranda, but if the word is deemed to have become a word of the English language, the plural memorandums, abbreviated to memos, may be used. See also Agenda, Corrigenda, Addenda. In law, a memorandum is a record of the terms of a transaction or contract, such as a policy memo, memorandum of understanding, memorandum of agreement, or memorandum of association. Other memorandum formats include briefing notes, reports, letters, or binders. They may be considered gray literature. In business, a memo is typically used by firms for internal communication, while letters are typically for external communication. Memorandum formatting may vary by office or institution. If the intended recipient is a cabinet minister or a senior executive, the format might be rigidly defined and limited to 1 or 2 pages. If the recipient is a colleague, the formatting requirements are more flexible. Policy briefing note. A specific type of memorandum is the policy briefing note, alternatively referred to in various jurisdictions and governing traditions as policy issues paper, policy memoranda, or cabinet submission amongst other terms, a document for transmitting policy analysis into the political decision-making sphere. Typically, a briefing note may be denoted as either for information or for decision. Origins of term. The origins of the term briefing lie in legal briefs and the derivative military briefings. Purpose. The primary purpose of a memo for decision is to support decision-making, and also to help, or sometimes influence, a decision-maker to make a better decision in a particular problem situation than he might otherwise have made without the analysis. Other purposes that the briefing note can serve include conveying information, informing decisions, making a request, providing a response to a question, making a suggestion, presenting an informal report, proposing a solution to a problem, or documenting a reference for future use. Memorandum can be used to make brief appeals or give suggestions. Structure. As the communication mechanism of the policy analysis process, the briefing note should provide a coherent synopsis of a policy problem, identify different policy options for addressing the problem, articulate opposing perspectives and advocate a recommended option. The typical structure for a briefing note includes a description of the proposed policy, relevant background information, a discussion of key considerations, including implementation concerns, financial considerations, stakeholder impacts, and possible unanticipated consequences, a summary of arguments for and against the policy and a recommended decision. Policy documents that start with a proposal and assemble an argument for that position are more accurately referred to as a government white paper. A government green paper which raises a policy option and is meant to open a dialogue on the proposal is more similar in tone to a briefing note than is a white paper. Quality criteria. There is no universal standard for a briefing note, but it is generally understood to be a concise, coherent summary of a public policy problem with a clearly articulated logic for following a recommended course of action. Next to a political nose, and a logical brain, the most important skill of the good treasury resides in fine drafting hand. The concise, coherent and penetrating note is the final expression of all other talents. In many governance settings based on the Westminster system, policy analysts are expected to analyze the issue and write the briefing note from a neutral civil service perspective. However, the briefing note for decision must contain a recommendation, acknowledging that to say anything of importance in public policy requires value judgments, which must be explained and justified.